ate.
No.
Alright. Weirdo. So yeah, we just ate at the Egg Harbor Cafe behind me. This is like my 3rd or 4th time eating there since I've been in Atlanta. I don't even know if it's an Atlanta staple or anything, but it's really good. This time I got the grilled chicken avocado sandwich. I got it yesterday or 2 days ago and today. And then I got the cinnamon roll French toast, which was amazing. But I didn't show you guys because I didn't have my camera, but my lovely best friend brought my camera. Such a trooper. Okay. Now we're heading to the Coca-Cola factory. Oh, you're talking? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. No. I thought I was disturbing you.
No, you're not disturbing me.
No.
And we're going to try and go to Uncle Julio's, this place right there. We're going to try and go there at some point in time before I leave. I leave on the 10th, which is in a couple days, but you guys will see this way after. Probably when I get back home, I have to edit this vlog. So we're just gonna wait for our Uber.
It's funny sometimes watching these.
I'm so full, guys. And I ate my lip gloss off, and I didn't bring any with me. So, like, what is life right now?
Should we be in that little like inlet maybe? Like them stacked on the street.
There's a Starbucks across the street.
That's what she just said.
I wish I wasn't full. I would go over there and get a chai.
I said my belly is full.
I'm obsessed with chais. I probably drink them once a week. Fun life. It's a fun life. So we're at the Coca-Cola factory. My friends are like, you guys are like mimes. You don't actually say anything. You just like,
We don't know what to say.
I'm kidding. It's okay.
No, I feel like I don't want to interrupt her. Or,
No, well,
like, I don't know if
when I vlog,
get
you
into
guys
that.
you could totally be in it. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Tell them they can be in my vlog.
Hi, vlog family.
We're very new to this.
My YouTube family.
Don't judge us.
There's a civil rights museum right over there that I want to go to. And right now we're at the Coca-Cola factory.
And then we get to go to the aquarium.
I'm excited about that. I've been dying to go to an aquarium. Wait, is that nearby? Oh!
That's why we're doing all this, because it's all right there.
Oh, okay.
Just wait until after 4.
Well, the aquarium's right there. Exciting.
Yeah, everything, because she wanted to do the park.
What park? I thought they were bubbles.
I know, me too.
We got our Coca-Cola. Behind us. We're just waiting to go in.
4 minutes, 51 seconds.
Oh, it tells you? Oh, okay. That works. Nice and cold. This is so cool.
We'll be in this room for about 8 minutes, and then behind me, these doors will open, and you'll see a film called Moments of Happiness.
Ready? Put your glasses on.
It's too big for my face.
How'd you get yours to fit?
I don't know. Maybe my head's big.
Oh, there we go. Hey, boo. Come on, Dan.
I am here to invade your country.
That's what soda does to you,
No
kids.
more soda.
Don't drink soda.
I've had about 10 different sodas today. I'm not a fan. Oh, my nose is shining.
You put a highlighter on it?
I did, but it looks like it's glistening even more. Wow, so dope. Look at all of the fishies. Huh? It's so cool. Just want to get some cool B-roll. off.
Captain made it was that.
No, it wasn't. Here he comes. Whoa. This is so cool.
Surrounded by history, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, it's for real. So, this is where Martin Luther King was buried. It's pretty amazing.
Make a wish thing.
Do they? This is so amazing. Gotta take it all in. This is history. This is amazing. Where were we that we saw the, oh, okay. I saw people standing around here looking at through in the glass. Well, at least I went to church today. This is amazing.
It's like finger
it's oil. It's an oil painting. Yeah, it's definitely an oil painting. You can tell by the consistency of the paint. Sorry. Look at me sounding like an artist. There's the firehouse. That's a tourist place too. The firehouse, yeah, because it said it on the thing.
Old school.
Yeah.
Look, somebody had to literally.
It has to be one of these houses.
Yeah, one of these over here. Somebody literally had to pull the doors of the firehouse in.
It says open.
No, I'm saying where the fire truck will come out.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The arch, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's over there. You see people walking up the steps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad you saw that.
So cool. Oh no, it's still open.
It's open. Okay.
I don't know how much it is.
Shop.
Huh?
Like
Is it
shop.
bookstore? Wait, which
What
one
does
was
this
this
sign
house?
say? That's bookstore museum shop.
Oh,
What is this one say?
I think that's the house. But I don't think it's open.
Which one was it? Do you let me still have the picture?
I don't know which one it is. I don't know. Is it this one? Oh no, you gotta register for a birth home tour.
Wait, Martin.
They boarded up all these homes here.
Yeah. Wait, you see the sign that I watched?
Yeah, under 24 hour surveillance.
Yeah.
It looks like it's... Hey guys, so I wanted to really quickly just do a little outro for my vlog. I wanted to say bye. So just a little backstory because I don't think I touched on it throughout the vlog. My boyfriend made it to season 12 of Wild 'N Out. And he is a radio personality in Miami. I kind of keep our relationship private when it comes to social media just because he's a public figure and I'm on YouTube, and neither one of us really post about our relationship. But recently we talked about it, and I am going to start showing him more in my vlogs and stuff, and we're definitely going to have like videos and stuff up soon. But I wanted to just talk to you guys and let you know that you need to watch Wild 'N Out. It airs in the fall. I don't know the exact date, so I'll keep you guys posted, but he will be on some episodes of Wild 'N Out. So that's exciting. Totally a big surprise to us because he has wanted this for a really long time. So the fact that it's even happening is like a blessing. God is so good. This is what I'm telling you guys. Never give up on your dreams. You know, like really just don't ever give up. Really. Like I'm so inspired just by this experience for him that it just makes me want to go harder and keep grinding. So it's really dope. I mean, he's a really good dude. I try just to keep some aspects of my life kind of hidden. I don't really talk about everything on my YouTube channel when it comes to my love life situation, but I do sometimes I'll post or I'll show him and stuff, but we're just really proud of him, like the whole family, like all of us. We're so proud. This is so dope. It's such a huge opportunity. So big shout out to Nick Cannon for even giving him an opportunity. That's really cool. So yeah, we're all excited. So I definitely want you guys to tune in. I'll keep y'all posted on everything when the show airs. Like I won't know until he knows, until he tells me. So I will let you guys know when I know, and I'm allowed to say something. My vlogging camera died, so I'm doing this from my phone. So if it looks a little different, it's just because it's a different camera. So what I was saying was my Dr. Oz episode airs July 23rd. I'm not sure what time because it really depends on the area you live in. So if you're in like Jersey, Philly, New York, they're different. Like I think Philly and Jersey, I think it comes on Fox for me. Well, I think on Fox for everybody, but like for me, I think it comes on at 4 p.m. I don't know. I always just kind of DVR it. But this episode coming up is a recipe episode, another one. So that's exciting. And the show is on hiatus, so I'm not sure when it comes back. They'll let me know, like the producers and everything. So I don't know if I'm going to be on any more episodes. I've already shot 5 episodes of Dr. Oz, which is pretty exciting. I mean, this is just a step in the direction that I want to go in. I've always worked in television behind the scenes for a very long time, just like on and off, or just doing like things on camera. So this is really like part of my goal, is to have more TV time, do more talk shows, have my own one day. You know, I'm slowly getting there. It's a slow but sure, steady race for me. But you know what? God is good and everything's on his time, so I can't complain. It's just, you know, sometimes you get impatient, that's all. But I mean, I cannot wait. I cannot wait for this episode to air because I think I got a little more camera time. I was talking a little more. I think I felt a little more comfortable in front of the camera this go around. My first recipe episode I did, I was a little nervous because I was talking about something that I made, so I kind of rushed through it a little. But I've watched back most of my clips, and I mean, there's nothing like being in the moment when it comes to doing TV for me, like, I feel so comfortable on set, and like I know that's where I'm supposed to be and this is what I'm supposed to be doing. But the thing is more like I get nervous once the camera's on me. I don't even know if you guys can tell, because when people watch it, they're like, you did amazing, and I'm like, I was freaking out on the inside. But you know, what are you gonna do? So I just wanted to make that quick little announcement in here. So stay tuned for Wild 'N Out season 12. My Dr. Oz episode. My boyfriend also has another episode airing the same day as mine. I forget the name of the show. Oh, what is the name of the show? I'm terrible, girlfriend, because I don't remember the name of the show, but it comes on Bounce TV, and it's like a barbershop show. He has a scene in that. I think he's a bodyguard or something. I don't know, but you guys will see it. I will let you guys know when that episode airs. That's exciting for him too. So both of our episodes are airing on the same day, and the Wild 'N Out airs in the fall. So we will keep you posted on, or I will keep you posted on everything TV related when it comes to both of us. But I just wanted to say I love you guys. Thank you so much for just being amazing and watching my channel still, because it's been like 5-6 years and I'm not as consistent as I used to be, but some of y'all still are my day ones and continue to watch. So I love y'all for that. I'm gonna go because I gotta go take my brother clothes shopping. I would take my camera with me, but I really need to charge my battery because I've been filming for days, so I can't. But I love you guys. I'll talk to you in my next vlog. Bye.